Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 3737 Talon Avenue. This is an incredible home, turnkey, ready to go, located in Red Hawk Estates. Sits on 0.34 of an acre. It's a corner lot, does have RV access. It is a 4-bedroom plus an office, 2.5 baths, tile throughout, 3-car garage, water softener, amazing backyard that backs up to the Red Hawk driving range there. You have some views of the Doniana Mountains as well. Just an amazing property here. You have a beautiful tiled entryway, and the patio has outdoor living space with a fireplace and tile back there as well. So come on in, let's take a look around. I want to thank you for taking this tour of 3737 Talon Avenue. Again, amazing property, sits on 0.34 of an acre, corner lot, you have RV access, you're a hop, skip, and a jump away from Red Hawk Golf Course. This is located in Red Hawk Estates. It's a little over 3,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office, plus a 3-car garage. You have this amazing backyard, no neighbors behind you, views of the Doniana, you have the golf course back here, just an amazing property. Awesome outdoor living space here with a gas fireplace, tile throughout the home. Give me a call, Ron Bruder at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinloscruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.